Hey everyone, welcome back to EZ Online English. It's me, Sahara, and today we have a very important video that will be very useful in this time for everyone. We have 50 expressions today for you to use when you are talking with a doctor or if you're talking with people in a doctor's office. So let's go. In this video, we have 3 different sections. In the first section, all of these expressions are about making an appointment. So the first one is, I need to make an appointment to see the doctor this week. I need to make an appointment to see the doctor this week. The next one is, do you have any openings for Thursday afternoon? Do you have any openings for Thursday afternoon? No, but we have an opening on Friday morning at 9. No, but we have an opening on Friday morning at 9. Do you have a 10 a.m. slot available? Do you have a 10 a.m. slot available? Is your office open on the weekend? Is your office open on the weekend? I'd prefer a female doctor. I'd prefer a female doctor. Can I have your first and last name, please? Can I have your first and last name, please? What's your date of birth? What's your date of birth? What's a good phone number for you? What's a good phone number for you? Please arrive early so you can complete your new patient forms. Please arrive early so you can complete your new patient forms. All right, in this next section, all of these expressions are about talking to the doctor directly. So here's the first one. How are you feeling? What brings you in today? What's been going on? How are you feeling? What brings you in today? What's been going on? I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. It hurts when I swallow. It hurts when I swallow. It hurts to talk. It hurts to talk. If I talk too long, my voice gets really hoarse. If I talk too long, my voice gets really hoarse. My tonsils are swollen. My tonsils are swollen. I have a tickle in my throat. I have a tickle in my throat. It feels like there's something stuck in my throat. It feels like something is stuck in my throat. I have a bad cough. I have a bad cough. I have a lump in my throat. I have a lump in my throat. I'm coughing up a lot of mucus. I'm coughing up a lot of mucus. I have a lot of congestion and sinus headaches. I have a lot of congestion and sinus headaches. I keep blowing my nose. I keep blowing my nose. My nose is stuffed up. My nose is stuffed up. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I'm having trouble breathing. I'm having trouble breathing. My ears are stuffed up. My ears are stuffed up. My ears won't pop. My ears won't pop. I think my cold is developing into an ear infection. I think my cold is developing into an ear infection. My breathing is really shallow. My breathing is really shallow. I think my cold is developing into pneumonia. I think my cold is developing into pneumonia. Okay, in this last section, all of these expressions are about receiving treatment from the doctor. So it's about them telling you what to do or what they will do for you. All right, the first one is we're going to do a blood test. We're going to draw some blood. We're going to do a blood test. We're going to draw some blood. The next one is we're going to test you for the flu. We are going to test you for the flu. This one is, does this hurt? Does this hurt? You should consider getting a flu shot. You should consider getting a flu shot. I'm going to listen to your breathing. I'm going to listen to your breathing. When did your symptoms begin? When did your symptoms begin? Have you had a fever? Have you had a fever? What is your sleeping schedule like? What is your sleeping schedule like? How much sleep are you getting at night? How much sleep are you getting at night? Are you getting enough exercise? Are you getting enough exercise? Have you been exposed to anyone that has the flu? Have you been exposed to anyone that has the flu? You just have a cold. You just have a cold. Be sure to drink plenty of fluids and get some rest. Be sure to drink plenty of fluids and get some rest. If your symptoms don't improve, come back next week. If your symptoms don't improve, come back next week. I'm going to prescribe you some antibiotics. I'm going to prescribe you some antibiotics. How long will I be in the hospital? How long will I be in the hospital? Will I have to use a ventilator? Will I have to use a ventilator? How long is the recovery time? How long is the recovery time? Will my insurance cover this? Will my insurance cover this? Can you prescribe me anything? Can you prescribe me anything? Thank you everyone for watching another video with us here on EZ Online English. And our question for you this video is we want to hear your suggestions. Right? So what do you want to learn about? You can write it down below. You can write it in Chinese or English, and we will try to make a video for you. Also, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe and share this video with a friend because this video is very helpful if you need to speak to a doctor. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.